of Pureit Unique Technology Water Purifier. So before getting into my video, those who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon to stay tuned for my latest uploads. So this is an innovative technology water purifier which has many unique features. This is an advanced purifier that brings together modern technology and traditional goodness to enhance your family's health. So when coming to the features, it consists of unique copper charge technology that ensures our water is 100% purified and prevents all sorts of unwanted chemicals as well. Nowadays, because of the increased presence of harmful viruses, we all know the importance of drinking ultra-purified water, which becomes an essential entity as well. The feature of precise copper dosing infuses right amount of copper in every glass of water. So if you drink copper-enriched water, it has huge amount of health benefits and added immunity as well. Moreover, it improves digestion and removes obesity too. The 7-stage RO+UV+MF purification includes dual water dispensing, copper charge technology, precise copper dosing, intelligent copper auto cleaning, 100% safe drinking water, US EPA compliance, double purity lock, 8-liter storage capacity and hands-free bottle-free zone. This is the latest model of Pureit Copper+Eco mineral plus RO+UV+MF water purifier, so that you can purchase it from both online and offline. I will leave the link in the description box below. If you see it in online, that comes a model just below this range. The major difference is that in this latest model, we will get an eco mineral technology. That means water is purified in the ratio 1:1. That means unpurified water is wasted only in equal amount, whereas if you see in other water purifier, it is 1:3. That means 3 times of water will be wasted. That makes this purifier a unique model too. So when coming to the logo, you can clearly see that it is a product of Hindustan Unilever. Then below that you can see Copper+Eco mineral RO+UV+MF, and there is a helpline number provided too. The RO stands for reverse osmosis. So this technology separates unwanted molecules, ions and larger particles from drinking water. Then comes the UV, which is ultraviolet. So with the power of UV, the water gets disinfected to make it free of bacteria or virus. Comes the MF, which is microfiltration membrane, which is added to post RO, which ensures that the water is purified not only once but twice. So this ensures that your water will be 100% pure. And coming to the external specification, the capacity of the filter is 8 liter, the power consumption is 60 watt, the purification level is 24 liter per hour. There is an additional manual tape connected, and the purpose of this tape is that if you don't have the power, you can open this tape and take the water and drink 100% RO pure water. Now comes the 3 indications of the water purifier. The first indication is blink with green color light, which shows that the tank is full. If it is blinked in red color light, it shows the tank is not full. Below to this indication, there is SF/GKK change. So if it blinks in green color, it indicates the water is safe to use. If it blinks in blue, it is a sign that we need to replace SF filter. If there is a red blinking light, it means that we need to replace the GKK filter. So just by the indication of red and blue color, it is very easy to identify the replacement of filter. So below to this SF/GKK change, you can see another indicator, which is copper change. So if it blinks in green solid color, it indicates that copper is safe to use. If there is red blinking light, it indicates that there is an alert to change the copper. Red solid light indicates auto shut off. 3 lights are blinking in sequence, that indicates that there is an electric fault. So below the 3 buttons, you can see 2 feather touch buttons. One is in red color and the other is blue color. The first button, if you touch, yellow solid color glows, which means copper RO water is dispensing. If this yellow button is blinking, means it is auto cleaning mode. Below the button, there is blue feather touch button. If this blue color glows, that indicates RO water is dispensing. So if you want copper water, place a glass in this tray and then we have to press this feather touch button. So yellow water is blinking. So your copper water is ready. If you want RO water, place a glass at this tray and you have to press the blue feather touch button. So your RO water is ready. So when coming to the installation, you need to mount this filter near your water connection. So there comes this filter. For the maintenance part, if you are using 10 liter water per day, then GKK filter will come for 1.5 years. For copper filter for 8000 liter water dispensed, the filter lifetime will be almost 3 years. So precisely I can say that you will get these indications very clearly only in copper plus RO+UV+MF water purifier. These instructions can be clearly visible on the other side of the panel too. So if you're planning to buy a water purifier, I highly recommend this product with all the advanced technology, and moreover this purifier will give a very stylish and aesthetic look to your modular and normal kitchen as well. It is a very big thumbs up from my side, and it is a very good investment too, and it is worth every penny you pay for it. So no need to think twice to buy this product. So I hope you all enjoyed my video. See you soon in my next video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.